Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll be unboxing my Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system with Auto IQ. I am so excited. I have been looking forward to having this blender and finally I got it. I'm so happy. My blender got bad some days ago and I placed an order on Amazon and it's arrived. I'm so happy. Here I'm unboxing my Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system IQ. I'm so happy. Why I love this product is because it has so many features. It has the blender, the food processor, single serve cup, lots of features packed in just one product. I'm so happy because I can use it for different things. I can use to make smoothies. I can use it for ice crush. I can also use it to extract juice from fruits. I can use it to chop veggies. I can use it also to mix doughs, and this is so amazing. Using one particular product to do varieties of things, it's amazing. It's mind-blowing. It is very easy to use. The features are already designed in such a way that you can use them according to what you are doing. If you are making your smoothie, you can just click on the smoothie button, or you're trying to chop some veggies, just click on the button and it's gonna do the work. One of the mind-blowing feature is the Auto IQ program. It is designed in such a way that it can pause patterns and it can do the work for you. Once a present program is selected, it will start immediately and automatically stop when blending is complete. This is the total crushing pitcher. This is the one you can use to blend your tomatoes into puree. I love the fact that the jug is very large. It can blend large quantity of tomatoes. You can also pour out your tomato puree from this open place if you don't want to open everything. And I also love the stack blade assembled into it. This blade can be detachable, and to close it up there is this arrow, so it should always face the arrows for it to get locked easily. Once it is not faced in the arrow direction, it might not get locked. To use the pitcher, we have to hold stack blade assembled by the top of the shaft, insert it into the pitcher. The blade must be inserted into the pitcher before it can be used. And this is the single serve cup jar. The single serve cup came in two. One can be used for blending and the other one can be used for taking your smoothies. Like this is the lid for taking the smoothie or the juice or anything that is being blended. You can use that to drink. And this is the dough blade assemble. The dough blade assemble can be placed in the food processor bowl. The dough blade assemble should be inserted into the food processor bowl. It can be used to mix doughs. Then align the arrows in the food processor to lock the food processor. This is the food processor jar. The shape is quite different from the total crushing pitcher. I also love this jar because it's quite big and it can contain lot of doughs. I'm so happy because I can also use this food processor to blend my yam into forming pounded yam, just like our regular Nigerian pounded yam. And I have also used it to make my yam and it came out so nice and soft, just like the Nigerian pounded yam. So this product is very good. If you want to be making your pounded yam, you can use this product. You can use the food processor and it's going to crush the yam so soft and so nice, just like our regular Nigerian pounded yam. The food processor has two blades. It has the chopping blade assemble and also the dough blade assemble. The chopping blade assemble is the sharp blade, while the dough blade assemble is the one with the plastic blade. And this is also the single serve cup. It can be used to crush nuts. You can use it to blend ogbono, dry nuts, crayfish, anything dry, and it can also be used for smoothies. It is not only limited to dry ingredients, also you can use it to blend wet ingredients as well. If you are still watching this video to this moment, this is the right time to like the video, share, and also subscribe to our channel. Today's appreciation goes to our amazing subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching our videos. I would love to know in the comment section where you are watching from so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. Thanks for watching our unboxing video. See you in our next one. Bye. Number 10 is sticking utensils inside the blender while it is running. Using a spoon or a spatula to push down while the blender is running can make the blender go bad very fast. I hope this video is quite helpful and you've learned 10 reasons why our blender go bad very fast. Thanks for watching our video and see you in our next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in our next one. Bye.